Hi, this is Jason at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about leasing versus financing. There's a lot of people who want to drive a brand new car, but they do not want to be committed for a long time. That is where leasing comes into play. When you're leasing a vehicle, what you are essentially doing is you are renting a vehicle from the dealership. With a lease, it is a brand new car. So you come in, what you're going to do is put down your down payment. And down payments are usually first month's bill, acquisition fee, taxes, any applicable fees such as a DMV and things like that. And then, because you're renting the vehicle, your monthly payment essentially is going to be considerably lower than it would be for financing a vehicle. Also, you're driving this brand new vehicle, you're going to choose between 10,000, 12,000, and 15,000 miles, depending on your driving habits. When you have this lease, you are going to be completely covered by the warranty, 100%. Because with a brand new Mazda, you get a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper electrical warranty that covers everything. That covers your engine, your transmission, your front and rear axle. It covers all the electrical components in the vehicle. You are completely covered. Most of the times when you get a lease, you're going to get what's called a extended maintenance package. And with that maintenance package, you're going to get 6 free oil changes as well, which is going to cover you for the duration of your leasing experience. At the end of the lease, now you have options. You have choices. At the end of your 3 years, you can come into the dealership and say, that was awesome, I loved it, but I want to move on to different pastures. Not a problem. You're going to then sign what's called an odometer statement and then give us the keys. You go about your life, we go about our lives. The second thing you can do is you can come in and say, I love that Mazda so much, I want to own it, I want nobody else to drive it. Fantastic. Then you're going to buy your lease out. Third option, and most popular option, you'll come in when your lease is nearing the end, usually about 2.5 years into the lease, because you'll still have positive equity in your vehicle, and the vehicle will work towards you or work for you. You will then come in and trade your lease in and then lease another Mazda. And so now you're driving a whole new Mazda, whole new features, and the best part is your monthly payment is still low, and for 3 more years, you're completely covered with nothing to worry about. Best part is no long-term commitments at all. Now you have other people that say, you know what, I want to own my car. I don't want to lease. I don't want to rent the vehicle. I want to own it. Fantastic. Now you have the option to come in, pick out your beautiful brand new Mazda, and now you're going to finance that vehicle. Financing can be as short as 36 months. It could be as long as 84 months. It's entirely up to you and your credit, obviously. Now, when you finance the vehicle, you own that car. It's your car. You can do what you want with it because you're making payments to the bank for the ownership of that vehicle. When your payments are completely done, the bank is going to mail you your title. Now, when you're financing the car, you will have your warranty. You have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. That, once again, that covers the engine, transmission, front and rear axle. Then you'll have your 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper electrical warranty, which covers everything else. What's nice, you have these options. What's nice is you can choose to say, you know what, I just want to rent the car for a little while and try something else. Or you can say, you know what, I already know I love this CX-5. I know I love the Mazda 3. I know I love the CX-30. I know I love the CX-50. I know I love the CX-9. I want to own it for the long run. I don't want to be constricted to a certain amount of miles. I want to drive to California, New York City, Washington, D.C., down to Florida, and come back. I want to put thousands of miles on my car. When you finance, you have the freedom to do that. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to rent the car, leasing is the way to go. Either way, here at Russ Darrow Mazda, our goal and our job is to make your car buying or leasing experience as memorable and as easy as possible. Once again, this is Jason at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street. I'd love to help you finance or lease your brand new vehicle. Come and see us, and I'll look for you on the lot. Take care.